Hey guys, it's Mr. Decker here with another Code.org Express course lesson. This is lesson 8, Nested Loops in Maze. This lesson has some computer science standards. Those are decomposing and breaking down problems into smaller manageable subproblems to facilitate the program development process, modifying, remixing, or incorporating portions of an existing program into one's own work to develop something new or add more advanced features, and testing and debugging, fixing those errors, right? Making sure our algorithm or program runs as we intend it to. Our essential question today is, how do loops help simplify the code? This entire lesson is on code.org, so make sure you're signed in on code.org with your school Google account. Your grade for this lesson will be based on your programming. Watching the video that you're watching right now is mandatory, so make sure you watch this video that you're watching right now, and you'll work your way through the lesson on code.org. The best practice is, as usual, is to watch me do a step in the video, pause, and then complete the step on code.org. Repeat until you're finished. If you can't hear the code.org video inside my video, you can watch it on the code.org website. You can adjust the video quality to see a clear video playback by clicking on the gear at the bottom of this video. All right, let's jump over to code.org. We're on lesson 8, Nested Loops in Maze. So on your dashboard, find the Express course. And then we're jumping into Nested Loops in Maze, Bubble 1. Bubble 1 says, this is going to be great. Help the bee collect all of the nectar. Okay. So let's see. We're going to use our repeat. And we need to repeat 1, 2, 3 times. We're doing this in 5 blocks. So we are going to move forward first. And then inside the repeat, we can move forward, and then we need to get nectar from the flower. And we need to do that twice. So let's run it. That's 5 blocks. Very good. All right, let's move on. Bubble 2. This is going to be great. Help the bee collect all of the nectar. Okay, so same stuff, except a little more complicated. All right. Let's see. So he needs to move forward. We're doing this in 15 blocks? Okay. I bet we can do it in less than 15 blocks. Let's move forward. And then let's nest this. And 1, 2, 3 times. So we're nesting this loop. So how I'll explain how this works here in just a second. Let's see. And then I'm going to repeat that 2 times. And we're going to move forward, get nectar. And then at the end of this, after it moves forward, gets the nectar, moves forward, gets the nectar, it needs to turn right. So we'll put that down here. So the computer will run this as such. So it'll say, move forward, moving the bee to right here. And then it's going to move forward, get nectar right here. And then it's going to do it twice. Move forward, get nectar. And then it's going to turn right. And then once it gets down here, it's going to whoop back up to the top and repeat it again. All right, so let's go back into it, look at it again. So it's going to run all of this code that's inside here 3 times. So even though this loop says repeat 2 times, it's going to run that how many times? 3 times, because this is reading out like this. So You're telling the computer, hey, I want you to run this 3 times. So it's like, oh, okay, I'll run it 3 times, no problem. And then it's going to move forward, and then move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, then turn right, and then back up to the top and run it 2 more times. So let's reset, run that again. You can see it move through the sequence. And let's go on to bubble 3.
Now we're going to use nested loops with the bee. We're given some starter code which tells the bee to move forward and get nectar 3 times and then turn right. Let's take that whole piece of code and nest it inside another repeat block and set it to repeat 3 times. Done.
All right, let's continue. We're on bubble 4, and bubble 4 is a question bubble. It says, look closely at the nested loops below. What will happen when you click run? So just like on bubble 2, right, we go through and look at what the code is doing. So it says repeat 3 times in the big loop, and then we've got a nested loop inside of it. So let's examine here. Okay, computer, repeat 3 times, move forward, puts the bee here, and then it's going to repeat move forward, get nectar 2 times in a row, move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, and then it's going to turn right, and then it's going to go zoop back up to the top and repeat all of this again. So move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, turn right, move forward, get nectar, move forward, get nectar, turn right. So it should get all of the nectar. Let's run it. And it does. Continue. Bubble 5. Okay. Let's see. We are working with more flowers now. So let's throw our repeat block out here. So we're doing this 1, 2, 3, 4 times. And then we need him inside that in a nested loop 1, 2, 3 times to move forward and get nectar. And then outside of this nested loop and inside the big loop, we need to put turn right, because we don't want him to continuously turn right. We just want him to turn right after he does the move forward, get nectar 3 times. And then it'll zoop back up to the top and then run that again. Let's do it. Cool. And we did it in 5 lines of code. Cool. All right, this time we've only got 5 blocks we can use, and this time the zombie is hungry. Get the zombie to the sunflower using the fewest number of blocks possible. So this time we're getting the zombie to the sunflower. And it looks like 1, 2, 3, turn left, 1, 2, 3, turn left, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So repeat block. We want him to move forward 3 times, and he's going to run this 3 times. Let's see. We want him to move forward 3 times, and then he's going to turn left after he moves forward 3 times. And that's 5 blocks. I'm thinking this will work. Let's see. So repeat 3 times. It's going to repeat this code 3 times, everything that's within the big loop. So repeat 3 times, move forward. So 1, 2, 3, turn left, and then zoop back up to the top. Repeat 3 times, move forward, turn left, and then repeat 3 times, move forward. And he'll turn left a final time, but that's okay. I think he's going to get to the sunflower. Awesome. We got it. All right, bubble 7. Ooh, this one looks more complicated. Hey, I want to, just for fun, I want to run him into the piranha plant. So how do we get him there? So trying to orient myself, turn right, and then move forward twice. Okay. Oop. Oh, nice. Okay, so the zombie gets eaten by the piranha plant. Very nice. Okay, so let's figure out how to do this. So 1, 2, 3, then he'll turn right. And he'll do this 1, 2, 3 times. So in the big loop, we want 3. In here, we want him to move forward 3 times. And then he'll turn right. Right? Yeah, I think so. So let's try it. Oh, yeah. Okay, cool. So that was very similar to the last one we did. Okay, this one is definitely a little more complicated. So let's take a look here. Let me hit the pause on this for a second. All right, and we're back. So let's work this one out here. So first, let's grab a repeat block, and it looks like we can use 3 of them. So we will. It wants us to use 3. Let's see. So he'll move forward 3 times. Then he needs to turn left, move forward 3 times. Then he needs to turn right, move forward 3 times, and then left, move forward 3 times. Okay, so let's go ahead and throw some repeat blocks in here because it wants us to use 3, and we're learning how to nest our loops. So that's clearly what it wants us to do. So it needs to move forward 3 times. Each time it moves forward. And then the first time it moves forward, it's going to go left. The second time, it's going to go right. So left, right, left. So I think I needed to repeat this twice. So it's going to go move forward 1, 2, 3, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3, turn right, move forward 1, 2, 3, turn left, move forward 1, 2, 3. And then it'll turn right here at the end. It doesn't need to, but it needs to up here. So let's run it. Perfect. Bubble 9. Must eat sunflower. All right, get the zombie to the sunflower using only the blocks available. Ooh, another complicated one. So let's see. I think for this one, he's moving forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We need to do this in 9 blocks. Move forward 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and each time he's turning left. So that's not too bad. So inside this one, we're doing it 3 times, moving forward 5 times, and then he needs to turn left after he moves forward 5 times. So let's make sure that gets us to right there. And it does. So reset. Now he needs to go 1, 2, 3, turn right. Or wait, no, turn left again. 1, 2, 3. So another repeat block. He's doing it twice. And you need to grab another 3 because he's moving forward 3 times each one. And then he's turning left and left, right? Let's try it. Awesome. All right, we've got a challenge here. I'm ready. Okay, let's see. So we're going to use 3 nested loops, 1 get nectar, 2 move forward. So let's go ahead and pull one of these out. It needs to, let's see, your square has 4 sides. So everything that we do will need to run 4 times. We'll need another one. And he's moving forward 3 times. And then each time he moves forward, though, he's going to have to collect nectar 12 times. So I need another nested loop inside of this one so it runs it in the right sequence. And he's getting nectar each of those 12 times. All right, we're out of repeat blocks. We've got one more move forward we can use. He needs to turn right each time. And he needs to do that at the end of the sequence. I think that'll work. So he's going to move forward, get nectar 12 times, move forward, get nectar 12 times, move forward, get nectar 12 times, turn right. And then it should repeat that 4 times until he's done. Let's run it. Awesome. Cool. All right, continue. We're on bubble 11. I am going to pause right there so I can go run an errand, and I'll be right back. Okay, we are back. Sorry about that. Had to go run an errand. And let's knock this one out here. So let's go ahead, grab our repeat block. And let's see. I think we're going to need to use 2 repeats for this one. We've got 8 lines of code to do it in, or 8 blocks. Let's see. So each time it moves forward, it needs to grab or get nectar 4 times. So let's see. Get nectar 4 times. And it's going to move forward how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. So we could say like that. Let's see if that works. All right, and then on this last one, we'll need to throw another repeat out here. And he's just moving forward one time to get to it. And within that 4 times, he is making honey. Because it says collect all of the nectar from each flower and make honey at the honeycomb. So let's run it. And we did this in 8 blocks. Very good. Okay. The sound effects for the bee are really corny. All right. So bubble 12. This one isn't that difficult, I don't think. All right. So grab the repeat block, throw it out here. 1. He's going to move forward and make honey each time. So we're going to run this twice because he turns 1 time and he turns left. So we'll do that at the end. But within this, he's doing it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. He's going to move forward, make honey. So let's go through this code again. We're going to repeat it 2 times because he turns left once. Repeat 5 times, move forward, make honey, and then turn left after he runs this 5 times. That is a really awkward sound effect for the making honey, but okay. Bubble 13. Look closely at the code below. How much honey will the bee make when you click run? Okay, so we just have to analyze the code, break it down. So repeating 2 times the whole sequence. And then repeat 2 times, move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Move forward, make honey. Then it turns left. And then repeat 2 times, move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey. Then it turns right to face this direction. And then it goes back up here, move forward, make honey, move forward, make honey. And then left and move forward, make honey twice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I think he's going to make 8 honeycombs. Let's run it. Yeah, cool. All right, continue. That's it for this lesson. I hope you guys had a good time. I hope you understood nesting loops. And that's going to be it.